Hello everybody, today I want to show you guys how to make a vegetable glycerin tincture, and the herb I'm going to use is going to be mullen leaf. I'm almost out of it. Mullen leaf is an amazing herb for your lungs. You can make it into a tincture form. That's what I'm going to show you guys today, but you can make it into a tea, and this is one of the herbs that you can actually smoke, and it's good for your lungs. It's really good for people who are suffering from tuberculosis. Well, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna make it in this little jar, just a little example, because I don't need too much. Get a jar that seals up good. Yeah, I'm gonna do this video real quick. Close this up. We don't need it anymore. And this is how much? Probably like a quarter of it. And all you're gonna need is gonna be some distilled water and some vegetable glycerin. And we're gonna fill it halfway up with the distilled water. Distilled water, don't use any water, don't use tap water, don't use spring water, reverse osmosis. You need distilled water, because what distilled water is, it pulls out all the properties. It's gonna pull all the properties from the herb. I'm gonna fill it up half and half distilled water and half vegetable glycerin. And then what I'm gonna do right here, look, this is closed up. I'm gonna shake it up so the water gets absorbed, so it can have room for the vegetable glycerin. Oops. And now we're gonna put the vegetable glycerin. We're gonna fill it up all the way to the top. And then close it up and give it a little shake. Look how cool it looks. And why you want to take a tincture, you can make this into a capsule form too, but why you want to make it into a tincture, you can put it under your tongue and it gets into your system faster. This one, mullen leaf, is really good for your lungs. And that's literally all you do. This is vegetable glycerin and distilled water. Let it sit for around 6 weeks. And this will be ready to use when you actually want to use it. You could take it all out, take all the herbs out, strain it out, and you can put it back into the same water or put it into a little dropper, and then you can take it internally. And that's how you make the vegetable glycerin tincture. Just a real quick video on that. I just want, if you guys watching, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. It really helps me out a lot, and I just want to say thank you, everybody.